Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Vlookup tool to look up a value from one table to another, and how to fix the hashtag NA problem that it has. So as you can see here, I'm on my Microsoft Excel, and I have two values in the left and the right, and each of the first column has numbers and then on the right is value. And then the second column doesn't have a value, and we want to get the value from the left side to the right side, and we want to look up that value. So what we need to do is write Vlookup. Alright, now click on the one next to it, and for table array, click on the table we need it from, write down comma, then 2 because we need the value on the right side, then false to get the exact match. And as you can see, we get the hashtag NA error, and it works the same way for the others too. And what you can do with it is that the problem here is that the column on the left, the numbers here are not recognized as numbers by Microsoft Excel, therefore it cannot match the value of that on the right side. And what you need to do is head over to data, click on text to columns, leave it on delimited, next leave it on tab, and then just leave it on general, and then just click on finish. And as you can see, the hashtag NA problem is now gone, and that's how you fix it. This was Generation Unravel. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.